This is the Galaxy Projector. This is like a rose gold pink color. Very nice color and design and feel to it. This is where you load the discs in, and they come with 6 discs per box, and there is 2 boxes, so there's about 12 discs, and each disc provides a different type of ambient galaxy themed design and light. It's pretty cool. Keep watching and you'll see a few clips of how some of these interesting light patterns are. There's 12 different ones. Very, very cool. Very, very nice. On the sun. Well, that one has a whole solar system. That's pretty cool. Has all the planets, Saturn, the sun. Yeah, this one's very cool. I like this one a lot. Very cool. Yeah, that one's pretty nice. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Beautiful. Wow.